Hi, this is Aditya from team Khyal AI, and I would like to give you a demo for a Python script which has been written for mirroring the Android device's screen to a system and controlling the device using it. So let me run the script for you. So as you can see, we have two screens here. One screen is for the Android device's screen, and the other screen is a basic control panel which allows us to perform basic uh, tab gestures and allows us to execute some test cases. So if I tap on the up button, it will perform an up swipe, and as you can see, it has opened the app drawer. Similarly, if I try to drag the screen down, you will see that um, it has scrolled down. Okay, same goes for the down one. If I tap on this down button, it will scroll down the app drawer. Okay, so coming to the next part, here we have a button for playing and pausing the music. So if I tap on it, it will open up the Spotify and it will start playing the music. And similarly, if I press on the next song, it will switch to the next song. Now the previous song button will not work for this app because as you can see, it doesn't allow us to go back to the previous song. Okay, so now moving on, we have created some test cases here. So let's say if I tap on this test case 1, it will open up the device's camera, and yeah, as you can see, the camera has been opened, and if I tap on this test case 1 button again, it will close the app. So once the app closes, it will verify, and the message, as you can see, test case 1 passed. Similarly, if I tap on the test case 2, it will open the messages app. So test case 2 pass. Same for the test case 3. Test case 4. And test case 5. So this basically sums up our current prototype which we have built. Now the limitation with this particular prototype is that since Python is not a low level language and is not natively built for developing apps or services for the Android devices, we are not able to get the quality. As you can see here we are getting only FPS in 0 and 1s. So because of this, the performance of our overall prototype is not to the mark. So our proposed solution is to, rather than sticking with only Python, if we can make use of another language such as Java or Flutter, we can access the low level APIs in the Android device to to create a stream. So right now, our prototype, what it's doing is it is continuously taking screenshots of the app and is sending to our Windows system, and then that particular screenshot is being processed and being shown to us. So because of that, the FPS are coming very low. So if we are able to incorporate another language such as Java and access the system level APIs, we can gain access to a better performance prototype. So this is a proposed solution for the prototype, and I hope you like it. So thank you.